we also think what are the practical training required, and then comes to a practical assessment hours. Then it comes to an other theory assessment, like you do question, answer, any other form that needs to be completed, and so on and on. So that gives us a clear guidance what are the training hours and what are the assessment hours, so to get the clarity on it. And that will also clarify your amount of training hours, which is according to clause 1.1, 1.2 of SRTOs 2015 is required to clarify. So that will able to solve. The second is we usually get the missing simulation resources information. So when we review the test, that qualification require a simulation resources. For example, certificate 3 in individual support, that requires the bed and all other resources for to train, but those information not in the assessment, therefore there's no clarity what simulation gonna be there. Another example I could give that is from the Cert 3 in Commercial Cookery is that Commercial Cookery course. Also, if the RTO is using the simulation, then we need to clearly define what are the simulation resources available into that. If the simulation information, resources information is not there, it leads to a non-compliant in test. Other thing is the unclear work placement information. So sometimes that RTO put the total work placement hours, but did not define which unit is related to that, plus do not clear idea that how this workplace going to be conducted, who is responsible for, and so on and on. You don't have to all those things in test, but you also need to put some reference in the test that which document they need to refer. If you like this video, please share with anyone, like it, and if you have any comments or question, you can put it in comments. Thank you for your time.